Bangkok Hospital. And then you see G, the letter G is G Hotel, so that is Soi 94. And past Soi 94 is Hua Hin Market Village. You see, this condo, I'm standing in one of the condo. It's in the center, so it's a really, really good location. It's walking distance to everything. And behind me, there's blue board. You see the bridge? See the bridge over there? So it's really walking distance to everything. So let's have a look inside. I will show you the condo itself. So here we are. You see the sign is in Thai though. It's Condo Chain Hua Hin. And security, of course. They always friendly and polite. Plenty of parking right behind me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm making this video because there's a lot of people living overseas asking me about the common area in these condos. So my staff will go around the parking lots so you see what you have. So here in front of the office, or you call it lobby, let's have a look. So when you walk in, so on my right hand side is juristic office. They're always here to help you. On my left hand side, there's a letter boxes. You see the lift. And here, there's 3 of them. There's bathroom for ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go up to the swimming pool. And here we are on the level 2. Level 2. Now there's a meeting room on this side. There's a sign here. There's swimming pool, gym. So let's have a look at their fitness room, gym. Now to come into this room, there's people in there, guys. I'm just gonna walk in quickly. You need key card. Just walk in quickly. And the table tennis room. How? Oh, I know how. That's fun. Oh, I'm so good. The outdoor shower. We're gonna walk down the stairs. So you see where we are. That's the main entrance to the building, and here is the parking lot. Right at the back, this is where you go to the beach. We're gonna walk to the beach. Okay, it's only 120 meters to the beach. So it's a fantastic location, you guys. The front is really close to all the market village, blue ports, and restaurants. Everywhere is a walking distance. And here, I can see the beach right there. 120 meters. Let's go. I want to see. And something smells really good, and I'm hungry. Hello. It's a beach cafe. Now, if you want to have a cup of coffee, ice cream, Want something to eat? There's a kite school. There's cafe. There's restaurant. Whoa, what's going on? It's a mess today because of the storm last night. Still really nice though. Really nice view. There's a nice restaurant here too. You know, you can sit up there or down here. You get this really beautiful view. Not today, you guys, because of the heavy rain last night. เนี่ยฝนตกเมื่อคืนนี้เนาะใช่ไหมเมื่อคืนก็ตกอยู่ Okay. All right, let's go back. If you wonder what this is, it's for you to wash your feet. And now my feet is wet. I can't put my shoes on. Doesn't matter. Lots of parking ขอบคุณนะคะ Stop, they're really nice. Easy peasy. Now what I'm gonna do, I have to give this key card back to the staff. They're really nice here. They're friendly. They're reasonable. These girls are really nice. They're always nice to me and polite. Thank you ขอบคุณนะคะเรียบร้อยแล้ว Thank you นะเดี๋ยวเอาโอกาสหน้าพี่มารบกวนใหม่ She's always really nice. I give her 5 stars for her service always. Thank you นะ Bye bye. Bye guys. See you on my next video. Mwah! And I love you always.